Hello everyone. Previously, we had seen what annotations are, right? So today we'll continue with the enums, right? Enums, what are enums? Basically, enums define a set of named constants representing discrete values. Again, I'm telling you, enums define a set of named constants representing discrete values, enhancing code readability as well as type safety. Let's see this with a very simple example. So I'll just come here. Let me right click and hover on new and click on Java class, right? I'll just give the name Enums exam. So what we have done here, initially we have defined a public class name Enums example, right? So after this, let me define an enum named day. I'll just give enum day. Within this, I'll just give the enum constants, nothing but Sunday to Saturday, right? Let me type this quickly. And I'll just do one thing. Let me give the caps lock. So yeah, what we have done here, initially we have defined a public class named enums example. So next one we have defined an enum named day. Then we have defined enum constants, right? Nothing but from Sunday to Saturday. After this, what we'll do, let's define the main method. So I'll just come here after this one, right? Just come here. Let me give public void main, right? Within this, I'll just give string along with args. Right? We have defined the main method. Next, let's create the instance of the day enum named today and assign it to the value day, right? Sunday, basically. I'll just give day today equals day dot, let me give Sunday here, right? So where is Sunday? This one. So what we have done here, we have created an instance of the day enum named today and assign it to the value day dot Sunday, right? So next, let's make use of the switch statement based on the value of today. So I'll just give switch here. Within the switch, let me call today, right? So what we have done here, we have switched the statement based on the value of today. Let me make use of the case now. Case initially Monday. Instead of this one, let me make use of the colon, right? Let's print the message if today is Monday. Let me give today is Monday, right? After this one, let me make use of break. So the same thing I'll do for Friday and Sunday as well, right? So I'll just copy the same thing. Let me come here. I'll just copy from here, right? And just give me a second. Let's continue. Just give me a second. Sorry. Let me paste it over here. Again. Let me paste it over here. One more time. Let me paste it over here. Instead of Monday, let me give Friday. Here also, let me change this one to Friday, right? Here, let me make this, let me take Sunday itself, right? Sunday, and here also let me make this one Sunday. So finally, instead of case Monday, let's give default, right, at the end. So after default here, let's print a message for any other day. This one, I'll just give this one weekday instead, right? Let me weekday. There is no need of break here, right? I'll just remove this one. So did I miss anything? No, right? So yeah, this is it. Let's run the code. Let's wait for some time. So what we are getting are expected. So yeah, here I missed the column, right? So let's run again. So we are getting today is Sunday, right? So yeah, today is Sunday. Yeah, this is working correctly. So basically, this is it for the absolute beginners tutorial, right? Next, let's continue with the projects, right? So for now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.